calls. Medyo may mahirap na calls. Sobrang close calls.
Okay. Itong dalawang game captain natin. Nakausap ni referee number 1, Antonio Espartero.
Wow, look
Uy!
at us.
Ano kami eh?
Oo, kailan po to? Last time pa.
Oo nga eh. Kami po yan.
Iba na po itsura namin ngayon.
Oo, weeks lang, nag-iba agad. Yan. Pero yun po yung visual nyo ng mga nagsasalita ngayon, mga kapuso. So that was Silva and Puzon na miniting na itong mga referees natin. Right before the set number 4. Good to have you with us. If you guys are just tuning in, LPU undefeated. Trying to secure a Final Four spot. Ito namang Letran trying to avoid a 4-way tie and stay solo third. And Hiro Osada connects on a quick to start off set 4.
Ito na, pinapagana na. Utos nga ni Coach Coleman kanina, paganayan ng ating mga middle blockers para mas mapadali ang buhay ng ating wing spikers.
For LPU, it's just the errors that they need to limit. Transition play. Here comes Letran. Oh, Netura winds up and scores.
Ganda ng off-speed attack ni Netura doon. Kung kanina panay power, ngayon naman medyo buka na yung set. Alam na gagawin ni Jade Netura. Ilalagay lang niya. Onting top spin lang sa gitna. Puntos para kay Netura.
Letran answering very quickly. Difficult first pass. Quick attack na naman. It's gonna work. It's a check for Osada.
Again, Venice Puzon maximizing and making the agency para paganahin itong si Osada at ang middle blockers ng Lyceum Lady Pirates para mas kumagat pa sa decoy plays at mahirapan ang blockers ng Letran Lady Knights.
And this will open things up, you're right, for the wing spikers mamaya-maya. Estrelier to Martin! Pasok yan para kay Yen Martin.
Ganda ng recognition ni Martin doon. Nakita niya na late na sa habol sa pag-block. Itong si Osada, pinadaan niya sa gitna. Puntos para kay Yen Martin.
So De La Cruz is back because to serve.
Yen Martin with 15 points already.
Wow.
Martin.
Solid bounce back performance for Yen Martin. Puzon, lefty quick, doesn't drop. Makilang, nasa likod si Jaika Lopez. Doguna angles it. Makilang was right there. Martin checked. The quick for Ledesma, track down. Here's Doguna, inargahan. Pero sarado ang pintuan.
Ganda ng timing ni Ledesma that time with Jade Netura para sa block na yon. No way in eh. Payong na payong.
Those are two lengthy blockers na nakabantay sa side ng Letran. Netura, Ledesma, no? Parehas.
All angles covered. Hirap na hirap.
De La Cruz. 3-2 again, Stacy Lopez. Estrelier to Ledesma.
Good job by Estrelier. Recognizing na ang ganda ng pasok ni Ledesma that time and rewarding her kill block earlier. Sobrang laking confidence booster niya.
Look at this. Letran with a 4-2 lead.
Tsaka ang ganda ng bawi nila. Kanina, minamaximize ni Puzon. Itong si Osada, binabalik lang yung favor.
Ooh! Easy kill block for Letran that time.
Oo, dikit na rin yung bola sa net. Halos sa set na yon. Kaya naman, no way out na. But to spin that ball or off-speed attack, tapat na tapat na yung bola.
Yeah.
Taas din ng kamay ni Yen Martin doon.
Yeah. Parehas nakaposisyon. 5-2. Puzon. Doguna. That bounced off the net. Estrelier to Judel. Here comes Puzon. Back to Doguna they go. Talagang nababantayan yung mga atake niya. Pero ito, hindi nakakuha ng second ball ang Letran.
Oo, medyo malayo na para maabot pa ni Estrelier yung second set na yon.
And it's been a difficult day for LPU spikers. Talking about Doguna and Dolorito. Si Tulang yung medyo nakakakuha ng consistency at si Hiromi Osada from the middle.
Yeah.
But Dolorito and Duguna having difficulty with the coverage of Letran.
Tama. Lahat ng pinapalo nila, it's either dalawang blockers o nadidepensahan sa likod ng Letran Lady Knights.
That's right. Duguna. Oh! Yeah. Catching the donut hole that time.
That looked so easy para kay Duguna o kanina. All effort para makapuntos. Ngayon, tiptoe jump lang. Tamang placement, puntos.
Lusot sa gitna para dito kay Duguna. Kay Almirante. Replacing Yen Martin. 4-5 tayo. Hiro Osada starts it up. Better serve. Estrelier choosing Natura. And it is a kill block for Jaja Tulang.
Not this time, sabi ni Jaja Tulang. Kanina ka ba pupuntos dyan, Jane Natura? Natayamig kitang maayos. Ang ganda rin ng pwesto ni Jaja Tulang. Very middle blocker yung dating niya.
Yeah. Ano talaga, natural sa kanya.
Oo,
no?
natural. Alam mo yung kilos ng middle blocker.
At saka kung mag-block siya, talagang ginaguide niya.
Oo.
Para
Tsaka
makakill
sinasara
block
niya
sila.
yung certain angle.
Oh, na naman! Back-to-back blocks for Tulang.
Wow! Multi-purpose ang isang Jaja Tulang. Mapa-open, mapa-utility, mapa-middle. Alam na alam niya kung paano tatimingan at tamang placement ng kamay pagdating sa block.
She has been the standout for LPU today. Another good serve by Osada. Better pickup from Letran. Jodel goes down the line this time.
Judel going for that down the line area. Na-recognize niya na sabi niya, ay, mahusay mag-block ang isang Jaja Tulang. Dito tayo sa kabila, yung mas maliit na blocker.
Nag-adjust na dun si Natura. Good serve though. Oh, Tulang this time for the quick.
Nalilito na ako, Martin, kung ano ba talaga ang pwesto ni Jaja
Oh
Tulang.
my.
Sobrang effective pagdating niya sa middle. Halos lahat nagproproduce siya. Pagdating sa block defense, andyan siya. Pagdating sa atake, andyan siya.
Grabe, in-game yung pagpalit ng posisyon niya. No? Yeah.
At a very crucial set.
That's right. Puzon. Back row hit for Dolorito. Makilang, a-adlib. And Gia Makilang scores.
Oo, sumabit sa net. Medyo nahinapan na si Venice Puzon para iangat pa. Yung palo na yon galing kay Makilang.
So, kay Almirante. Tabla tayo, 7-all sa set number 4. Chaika with a difficult first pass. Eto si Duguna. Sinarado.
Ooh, net touch violation.
And that's against Letran.
Oo.
So LPU will take the 1-point lead as we go to the break. Pagbalik natin, it's another update from Julia Ong.
And that sends us to the first technical timeout in set number 4.
Mga kapuso, nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Ayon kay Coach Cromwell, nagrarattle daw ang Lady Pirates dahil out of the system na ang ipinapakita nila. Bumalik daw sila sa umpisa dahil kaya pa. At malayo pa sa katotohanan tong larong ito. Sigaw naman ni Maria Lopez ay i-enjoy nila ang laro at kumalma para naman sa panig ng Letran Lady Knights. Every after set, pinag-meditate sila ni Coach O para daw i-acknowledge lahat and to think of what's next. Ayaw daw ni Coach O na sapat lang. Gusto niya best performance from his players, especially from his spikers para tapusin na tong larong ito. All for now, Martin and Andrew.
Maraming salamat, Miss Julia Ong. Makilang responding off the timeout. Yung meditation na yun as we see this replay. Estrelier going back to Gia here for the lefty push.
Grabe yung tulak na yun, Martin. Sobrang nipis. Parang sa pinky lang tumama. Yung walang masyadong force kaya naman pumatak mismo sa likuran ng blockers.
Pero sanay dyan si Gia Makilang. Yung meditation, it's also a way for them to visualize their desired result. Diba?
At saka to keep you calm and collected.
Para sa LPU, they need to stay within the system. And Jaja Tulang, it seems like she's getting more comfortable of being a middle here. Dahil quicks na ang setup sa kanya ni Puzon.
Yun na nga.
Grabe. Pero nag-serve siya doon. Makilang. This one went through. Puzon had to adjust of speed. 1-2 for Estrelier is red. Dolorito. It's alive. Estrelier. Makilang. Taking care of the single coverage.
Ang ganda ng connection ni Estrella tsaka ni Makilang. Nakita mo si Makilang hindi na sumagad papuntang open eh. Dito na siya sa kalahati. Halos gitna na lang, dos na yung set eh. Nakita niya na bitin yung bolang dumating kay Estrelier. Kaya naman hinatid lang mismo sa harap ni Makilang. Hindi na kailangan ng maraming adjustment. Simple lang.
Siyempre walang bantay doon na naka-adjust para sa LPU. Oh, Osada. That one was dug up. And Osada
Hirosama.
narigaluhan sa net.
Oo, good play galing kay Osada. Recognizing na babalik yung first ball ni Silva. That time, tipping it over. Easy point.
Serving for the Lady
That's what you
Pirates.
want from your middle blocker.
Oo, very active.
Very active and yung
May killer
second
instinct.
jump, oo. Kumbaga full commitment. Venice Puzon with a service ace.
Ito yung bago nating napanood. I mean, hindi yung service ace ng isang Venice Puzon, pero yung kalamangan na meron ng Lyceum Lady Pirates. First time nilang lumamang ng 2 points this early.
That's right. Hasn't happened in this match at all. Oh! Puzon with back-to-back aces.
Back-to-back aces para sa ating back-to-back best setter awardee na si Venice Puzon na alam din naman natin na sobrang dominant din. Mas lalo pag kinakailangan pagdating sa service line.
Mga number 1 fans nito ni Mingming.
Oo, may ano pa.
Nasa...
Headband.
Ako tamang ganda na naman ng serve. Pakilang. Nasa likod si Duguna. Puzon.
defense.
Over to Jonah. Silva with a defense. Netura. Up top. Here comes LPU again. Lopez. Estrelier forced to take it and it goes wide.
Medyo hindi nag-work para kay Estrelier yung mga atake na gusto niya ibalik papunta sa Lady Pirates. Medyo nagkukos na siya ng
Point
errors.
is awarded to LPU.
Okay, this is a timeout for Coach O.
Hindi, alam mo ba't di umabot sa kanya? Eh, ang bagal mo ibigay, best performance na yan, wala ka na ipefake eh. Hindi umabot, hindi niya nagagawa yung best performance niya eh. Kasi pinamadali mo yung ginagawa mo. Now, upward, anong gagawin natin? Look, consistency base. Consistency.
Now, Coach Oliver Almario telling her squad to be consistent.
Yeah. And of course, he's very particular with the performance of his setter. Itong si
Yes.
Estrelier
Oo.
because she's the one guiding the ball to her spikers. Sila yung nagpapadali o di kaya naman nagpapahirap sa buhay nila
Yes.
when it comes to spiking. And under Coach O's system, he has produced so many excellent spikers here in the country.
And he himself was once
That's
a
right.
setter.
Oo.
So alam niya ang kargada at ang obligasyon ng isang setter sa loob ng court.
For Letran yan, ha? For Letran siya naglaro. Back then. All right.
Venice Puzon still serving.
Referee Antonio Espartero talking to the players. Ming Ming with another good serve. Makilang. Oh, too strong.
Too wide. Point.
Too strong and too long para kay Makilang that time. Ngayon naman, Martin, Lyceum naman ang may kalamangan ng 5 na which is the largest lead na nagkaroon itong Lyceum Lady Pirates.
That's right. 14-9. And that ends a string of serves neto ni Ming Ming Puzon.
Ngayon tingnan natin kung makaka-side out agad itong Letran Lady Knights para kahit paano ay mabalik yung momentum sa side nila.
Gia Makilang.
to serve.
The trans rising star starts. Jonah, been a while for her. Estrelier. Almirante! Where did that come from?
I know, I was about to say that, Martin. That was a powerful spike. Galing kay Almirante. Challenging the blockers in front of her. Not intimidated at all. With full power and good approach. What? Ano spike?
Ulit tayo kasi nangyari sa harap natin eh. Diba? Back row hit is good. Oh man.
Ito yung magandang sign naman.
Boy,
On the other
for
hand,
LPU.
para sa Lyceum Lady Pirates, alam na nila kung paano sumide out mula sa mga atake at pinupuntos ng Letran Lady
Jonah
Knights.
Dolorito on the service area.
Ito na. 15-11.
I smell something,
Oo.
Mertz.
Huwag muna natin pangunahan.
Oo.
Tingnan mo. Ay!
Oh, ayan na.
Service serve. 3 point
Okay.
for the Lady
That's
Knights.
what they need to limit.
Pero ito na nga, Martin, okay lang na gantong part ng set sila nagkakos ng error.
Ah.
Ubusin na nila sa gantong part, pero wag pag 20s pataas na yung score.
Oo. Get it out of the way.
Oo, okay na. Sige na, sagarin nyo na habang
Ah.
lamang pa tayo.
So, De La Cruz. Her turn. Lopez with the first ball. Lopez! Stacy, that is, scores down the line. And we head to the second technical timeout with the Lady Pirates creating a more comfortable lead.
To our second technical timeout in set number 4.
Balik sa ating laban. Mancom representative of Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Father Vic Calvo Jr. OP in attendance. And Coach Cho on your screens as well. Dr. Lorenzo, Mancom rep of EAC, just right behind Father Vic. And the chairman
And
of the
your
volleyball
technical
competition and
timeout.
Mancom representative of Perpetual, Sir Frank Gusi
Hiro
Jr. here
Sana
as well.
yet to serve.
Okay. And Mancom representative of LPU, Sir Hercules Calianta. Good to have you with us. If you guys just tuned in, we are in set number 4. 16-12, LPU trying to force a fifth set. And another chance for them to score! Miscommunication.
Attack error.
Very
on
uncharacteristic
LPU.
para kay Venice
Point
Puzo
for
and for the
Letran.
Lyceum Lady Pirates na magkaroon ng misplay.
Yeah. So, bubuksan
Miguel
yan
Itura serving.
ang pintuan para sa Letran. Oh, it's a push for Judel.
What
Service
happened?
error.
Yeah, she explained that
Oh, yeah.
in a player of the
Oo.
game interview kasi sinusubukan niya yung float serve eh. Palutangin, tapos biglang bababa. Kaya
Yes.
pasuntok yung approach niya.
Oo.
At time it came up short.
Pero sugal ka sa yun.
Oo.
Masalo pag gantong part na ng game, dapat safety na lang.
That's right. Almirante! Oh! Lakas nung atake ni Almirante.
Saan galing yung ganong atake ni Almirante? Nakakagulat, Martin.
Meron pa palang ganito si Coach O.
Oh.
Kay Almirante with only Venice Puzon right in front of her. Headshot.
Oo mo sa facial from the goal.
Oh. Okay. Almirante though will now be coming from the back. Puzon. Toguna. Absorbed. There's an
dig by
overpass. Yeah. Tulang. Another dig for Almirante. Netura angles it. Nandoon si Lopez. Talorito will try. Silva with the easy up. Here comes Letran. Makilang puts it down.
Gia Makilang.
Ilang once again, a high flyer taking care of the blockers in front of her. Kahit andun si Jaja Tulang, alam niya kung sino to-target in the area. Andun si Venice Puzon, medyo malaki yung gap for that down the line area.
LPU.
Putos.
Ito Coach Crom naman dahil bumaba na ang lamang nila.
Nakukuha. Binabasa natin, alam naman natin sa manggagaling yung bola. Ako, intindihan. Sayang ha, isang receive na maayos. Nets, bilisan mo. Pinakamabilis, anong play nyo? Okay? Bilisan mo yung atake mo, libre ka na, single na ka na. Bilisan mo. Ah, let's go!
It is set number 4 with their backs against the wall for LPU. Paano sila re-responde sa timeout ni Coach Cromwell.
At makikita mo na yung urgency sa boses ni Coach Cromwell Garcia. Kasi niya,
Here's
onti
set
na lang
number 4.
Makukuha nila to, extending it to 5th set. Pero may mga signs pa rin of errors na kino-commit itong Lyceum Lady Pirates.
Yeah. Kay Almirante has been a difference maker for Letran. In set number 4, running hit! Rolls in but picked up. Makilang. Lopez with a track down. Toguna. Estrelier. Tumakilang. Buhay pa. Buhay pa ito. Jaika Lopez sends it over.
Chance ball para sa Letran.
Makilang again.
Gia
Makilang once
Makilang.
again recognizing the advantage she has over Venice Puzon na medyo maliit for that down the lane area para maabot yung high leaper na si
16
Makilang.
serving 17.
Medyo bukas yung down the lane. Kung nakita mo kanina, no, yung flight ng bola, pa kanan, nakaharap siya. Tapos hahawiin niya pabalik pa kaliwa, papunta sa down the line.
Si Mingming kasi, yung bantay niya doon.
Oo, alam niya na hindi siya maaabot.
And the lead is down to 1. Here comes Letran,
Again.
a chance to die. Lumusot, deflected this time. Lefty push. Woo! Scramble. One more time for Gia. Sent back this time. And it is redemption for the blockers of LPU.
Not this time. Sabi ni Jaja Tulang at Venice Puzon, nakailang beses ka na. Ka-timing ka naman namin maganda.
Tingnan natin to. Oh yeah,
Ayun,
that was Venice.
That was Venice. Ang ganda ng timing niya.
18-16. And LPU restores the 2-point lead.
Good serve.
Oh, what a sharp serve. Makilang. Pinalik ulit. Estrelier with the ad-lib.
Wow. Kung kailan kailangan makapuntos ni Estrelier. Doon pa gumana yung kanyang 1-2 play para sa Letran Lady Knights. Good recognition para kay Estrelier. Nakita niya hindi ready at all yung net defense at floor defense ng Lyceum that time for that 1-2 play.
Finally getting one in after 3 straight tries with those 1-2s. Who's on? Oh, Tulang!
Wow, Jaja Tulang, hindi na siya bumalik sa pagiging
Jaja
wing spiker
Tulang.
for this set. Jaja Tulang, isa ng middle blocker for this match para sa Lyceum Lady Pirates. And kitang-kita naman natin yung advantage. Ang dami niyang variations eh. Alam niya kung paano papaluin, alam niya kung paano titingnan yung kamay ng blockers, alam niya kung saan dadalhin yung bola.
What a switch up for Coach Crom. Lumusot to, pero iniangat ni Daguna. It is sent over and the cross. Makilang again. Pinalik ulit ng blockers. LPU sets it up. Oh, Osada just with a tip. Makilang off speed. Angled hit is good for Makilang.
Kilang on fire, alam niya na siya ang porsyento ngayon ng Letran Lady Knights. At kung madidirig mo si Coach Oliver Almadro, ang sabi lang niya, the whole time, the whole transition plays, ibalik mo, ulitin mo kay Makilang.
Hindi binatawan ni Coach O itong si Gia. 18-19. Letran trimming the lead to 1. Dolorito denied. Single block by Nitura.
Jade Nitura, single block coverage, good timing, perfect jump for that curve block at tuwang-tuwa si Coach Oliver Almadro. Kitang-kita mo yung reaction niya.
This is now gadget time for our teams. Momentum is currently on the side of Letran. 19 all in set 4. Oh, a good serve by Nats. And it's an ace. Letran surges ahead.
Wow! Australia making it matter when it matters the most.
This
Good
is
1-2
now,
play
yeah,
and then a service ace.
from 5 points down. Letran coming alive in set number 4 and overtaking LPU. Back-to-back aces. For Nat Estrelier. And it is a 2-point lead for Letran.
Oh, wow. With the help of the net, turns out Coach Oliver is right. Maturity, where it matters the most. Pinakita ng Letran Lady Knights.
Coach O with a
Pasa tayo na
celebration.
maayos.
Yes, Coach Crom.
Naintindihan? Oh, tapos set play. Dahil, tapang lang eh. May tiwala ka ba sa sarili mo? Oh, may tiwala kami dito. Atakehin mo yan! Let's go!
Ay, para sa
Yan ang pinaka-emosyonal na
Yes.
Coach Crom na nakita natin all season.
Yes. Makikita natin yung intensity sa mga mata at boses ni Coach Cromwell Garcia.
How about this? Back-to-back aces for Nat. We'll see also if that timeout froze the server.
At kung makakapag-set sila ng play na maayos, makakuha ng one-stop na sobrang kailangan nila ngayon.
Ito. High first ball. Dolorito. Sent back. Toguna. Popped up by Estrelier. Here comes Makilang. Too strong. Oh, there's a check ball.
Another goal na tinawag ng referee against the linesman na meron tayo dito.
Wow. Wow, big call.
I know. Look at Coach Cromwell right now. Look at his frustrations.
Livid. Yeah, on the sidelines. 3 straight points for Letran. Difficult first pass again. Hiromi Osada couldn't stop the bleeding. Nitura down the line, outside.
Yeah, that was a clear outside spike mula kay Jade Nitura na pasobra papuntang kanan, opting for that down the line area. Balik tayo kay Venice Puzon para sa service line.
Mingming. A test.
Good
of nerves. Rock. Solid. At the service line, Mingming Puzon.
Ang ganda ng bawi ni Venice Puzon that time. Pagbalik sa service line, napatimeout agad si Coach Oliver Almadre.
Kaya naman nilagay doon eh. Hey, look. Kailangan lang natin maturity. Alam mo doon tatarget. In-expect mo na yun eh. Bakit ka ba atras ng atras? Hindi ako akin nyo. Bigay mo sa akin. Kailangan na natin ng tapang dito. Ang labanan, it's not about skills. It's what you need. Courage. I need courage.
Ngayon, makikita natin kanina nag-enjoy si Coach Oliver Almadro. Ngayon, medyo rattled na siya. Kasi nga, back at one ang kanilang kalamangan at alam nila na kumakatok itong Lyceum Lady Pirates. Anytime, pwedeng bawiin yung kalamangan na meron sila.
Balik sa ating laban si Yen Martin replacing Kay Almirante who has performed splendidly off the bench and here in set number 4. So Mingming Puzon after the ace, timeout Coach O. Will this stop her momentum? No, it will not.
Another good serve.
Yen Martin. Puzon. Lopez, too strong.
Attack goes out.
23-21.
Point for the
A
Lady
crucial
Knights.
attack error by Lopez.
Yes, that was way too long para ma-check pa ng blockers ng Letran
Gia
Lady Knights.
Maquila
Kung yun yung
on
option
to serve.
kanina para sa palong yun.
Yeah.
Crucial possession para sa LPU Lady Pirates.
Osada, nakabantay si Makilang. Nitura, bounce off the blockers. Nakabuelo si Dolorito. Easy up for Martin. Nitura, back at it again. And it is match point. Letran Lady Knights.
Kitang-kita mo yung fulfillment galing kay Jade Nitura mula sa spike niya, mula sa puntos na yun. Alam din niya, buong puso niya tinatanggap na kapag crucial time at kailangan pumuntos ng Letran Lady Knights, sa kanyang magagaling yung puntos na yun.
Makilang, that one was for the match. Lopez, off the block.
Check out, it's not over, Martin.
Not yet.
The game is not yet over.
But this is a pressure back serve
Yes.
coming up for Jonah Dolorito.
A must-make service para kay Dolorito, para sa LPU Lady Pirates.
22-24. Yeah, good serve. Estrelier for the match. Nitura. Bumalik. Oh.
Touch. LPU.
LPU with an
Point is
error.
awarded to Letran.
And that ultimately ends the match.
A very anticlimactic ending para sa Letran at sa Lyceum Lady
Our
Pirates
final score.
And
with a net touch
24,
violation.
That's right. Letran
25,
hands
20,
LPU
25,
their
22,
first
25,
loss in season 99.
Colegio
And the
de
Lady
San Juan
Knights
de Letran Lady
are
Knights
back on the
this
winning
set.
track after
Take this
losing
match
2
against
straight
LPU Lady
previously.
Pirates in 4 sets.
Ooh, what a match, Martin. What a match.
What a match. The final. Look at these sets. Ang haba.
No.
31 minutes, 28 minutes, 29 minutes, and 30 minutes in set number 4. But this one belongs to Letran.